Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we discussed about section D, and that question number 37, it's very important for 10 marks. In this video, we are going to know about the next question is 38. Find coefficient variation, means CV. We can denote it as a CV, coefficient of variation from the following data. They are given information of marks: less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. Next, number of students: 12, 30, 65, 107, 157, 202, 222, 230. This is the given information. When they are given information in the form of less than, or that information related the number of students is called as an LCF. When they are given information of marks or any class interval in the format of more than, the next value, the given information is called as an MCF, more than cumulative frequency. When they are given information in class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, on the time they are given information is called as an frequency. So here they are given information in the format of less than, so this information, class interval, this information we can denote it as a LCF. So this class interval we have to divide. So next we have to identify the frequency. LCF we should be convertible into a frequency. Okay dear students, let us solve this problem. First we have to write class interval. The less than information I will be convertible into a class interval directly. So I will take 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next, the given information, the number of students we can denote it as a LCF. Number of students we can denote it as a LCF. We can write as it is: 12, 30, 65, 107, 157, 202, 222, next 230. So this is the given information. Next, the LCF we should be convertible into a F, because we have to identify in the frequency. So frequencies, first one as it is we can write 12. Next, 30 minus 12 we will get 18. 65 minus 30, 65 minus 30, 35. So frequency LCF we are convertible into a frequencies. 107 minus 65, 107 minus 65 we will get 42. Next, 157 minus 107 we will get 50. Next, 202 minus 157 we will get 45. 222 minus 202 we will get 20. 230 minus 222 we will get 8. This is the frequency. When you make a frequency total, if you make a total of this, you will get last value of the LCF. 230 is the frequency total. Okay dear students, next we have to convertible into X, means mid value we have to convertible. Class interval, the mid value is called as an X. So 0 to 10, the mid value is 5. 10 to 20, the mid value is 15. 20 to 30, the mid value is 25. 30 to 40, the mid value is 35. 40 to 50, the mid value is 45. 50 to 60, the mid value is 55. 60 to 70, the mid value is 65. 70 to 80, the mid value is 75. Next, this problem is given in less than and more than. The frequency values are more, so LCF values are more. So that is the intention. We have two types of solution for this problem: direct method and step deviation method. Okay, I will give solution in the form of step deviation method, because values are more. When values are more, direct method will take more values, means lags together values will come. That is the intention. I will do this problem in the format of step deviation method. I will give solution in step deviation method. So next we have to find out u dash. Formula is u dash x minus a divided by c. This is the formula for identifying the u dash: x minus a divided by c. So x means these the mid values are x. A means assume mean. So I will take assume mean a. First one, I will take assume mean a. Assume means a is equal to 5. I will take assume mean 5. C means common difference. The common difference between the class interval is 10. C how much? 10. Now we have to identifying these values. Okay. First, x value is 5. A also 5. 5 minus 5 divided by 10. 5 minus 5 divided by 10. We will get 0. Next, 15 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 1. 25 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 2. 35 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 3. 45 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 4. 55 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 5. 65 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 6. 75 minus 5 divided by 10, we will get 7. After identifying the u dash, next we have to find out the fu dash. Fu dash means f into u dash. We have to properly multiplication of this. 12 into 0, 0. We already know about that. 18 into 1, 18. 35 into 2, 70. 35 into 2, 70. Next, 42 into 3. 42 into 3. 42 into 3. We will get 126. Next, 50 into 4. 200. We will get 200. Next, 45 into 5. 45 into 5. We will get 225. Next, 20 into 6, 120. 8 into 7, 8 sevens are 56. Okay, dear students, fu dash is over. Next we have to do a fu dash square. U dash square. We require u dash square, means u dash into fu dash. We will get f into u dash square. Okay, dear students, so we have to multiplication of this u dash into fu dash. U dash into fu dash, we will get fu dash square. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 18, 18. 2 into 70, 140. Next, 3 into 126. 3 into 126. The value is 378. Once again I will do u dash into fu dash. 3 into 126, 3 into 126, we will get 3 into 120, 3 into 126, we will get 378. Next, 4 into 200, 800. 5 into 225, 5 into 225, 5 into 225, 1125. Next, 6 into 120, we will get 720. 7 into 56, 392. Okay, dear students, next we have to multiplication. So before the multiplication and simplification, first we have to make a total of fu dash and fu dash square. First we have to make a total of fu dash. 0 plus 18, 18 plus 70 plus 126 plus 200 plus 225 plus 120 plus 56 is equal to 815. Next, we have to identify the fu dash square. So we have to add 18 plus 140 plus 378 plus 800 plus 1125 plus 720 plus 392, 3573. This is the total of summation of fu dash square. Okay, dear students, next we have to apply the formula. CV formula is standard deviation divided by mean into 100. So here we have to identify the mean and standard deviation first. After that we can easy to calculate the CV, right? So first we have to identify the mean in deviation method. The formula for mean: a plus sigma fu dash divided by n into c. Mean is equal to, a means assumed mean. Assumed means how much? So we have to take 5 plus summation of fu dash. This is fu dash total is 815 divided by n. N means frequency total. Is 230 into c means class interval difference. Common difference is 10. Next we have to simplification of this. 5 plus 815 divided by 230, we will get 3.54 34, so 35 into 10. Mean is equal to 5 plus 3.5435 into 10. We will get 35.435. Next we have to make a total. Of this. 35.43 plus 5 will get 40.435 is the mean. Next we have to identify the standard deviation. standard deviation. So the formula for standard deviation in deviation method is standard deviation is equal to summation of fu dash square divided by n minus summation of fu dash divided by n whole square. Next, standard deviation sigma fu dash square, summation of fu dash square we already identified, so the value is 3573 divided by n means 230 minus summation of fu dash, summation of fu dash how much, 815 divided by n 230 whole square, so we have to apply the square root also, we have to apply the square root also, we have to apply square root into c, square root into c means the common difference we take 10. Next, standard deviation, you have to simplification of this, 3573 divided by 230, we will get 15.5348 minus 815 divided by 230, we will get 3.5435 whole square into 10 square root. Next, standard deviation, square root of 15.5348 minus 3.5435 into 3.5435, we have to make a square, so we will get 12.5564 into 10. Next, you have to simplification again, standard deviation, so 15.5348 minus 12.5564, we will get 2.9784 into 10. Next, we have to remove the square root, for this value, we will get 1.17258 into 10, we will get standard deviation is equal to 17.25, 2580. This is the value of standard deviation. We already find out the mean value. Next, we are find outing the standard deviation value. Next, we have to apply the CV. Means coefficient of variation. The formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. CV is equal to standard deviation. The standard deviation value is 17.2580 divided by the mean value is 40.435. 435 into 100. We have to simplification of this. 17.2580 divided by 40.435 will get 0.4268 into 100. 0.4268 into 100 will get the final answer is CV is 42.68. The coefficient of variation between the two variables is 42.68. 42.68. Okay, dear students, this is the way of solution for coefficient of variation. It's very important for your annual examination. It's a compulsory question. They will ask in three formats. Sometimes they will ask directly, they will give a class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Sometimes they will give class interval in the format of less than 10, less than 20. Sometimes they will give class interval of more than format, more than 10, more than 20. When they are given class interval directly 0 to 10, next given information is called as an frequency. When they are given class interval in less than format, the next given information is called as an LCF. When they are given information in more than class interval, the next values, the given information is called as an MCF. Okay, dear students, thank you to all. We can practice well.